Greetings, eccentric people who have a bizarre interest in grammar. I know some of my presentations might seem boring or redundant, but I just had surgery a month ago and I'm still really uncomfortable and I'm still healing. So, since I can't do heavy work, I can only do light duty, I thought I'd make a few videos. So, if you'll be incredibly patient, I'll continue my discussion on noun complements. In my previous noun complement videos, I presented one of my grammar discoveries, the name complement. The name complement is a word or phrase that complements a proper name. 1 year ago, in video number 12A, the name complement, I featured the name complement. Prior to that video, my presentations were embarrassingly primitive, and even with that video, I did not give a categorically comprehensive talk on all of the ways that the name complement can be realized. That is, I wasn't as thorough as I could have been. In this video, I will take a more detailed look at the name complement. I will base this presentation on the 10 application version of categorization of noun complements. I will show exactly where in the 10 application chart we can find the actual name complements. So here we see the 10 application chart. You see the base forms in green. And for base form number 5, you have 4 applications. And for base form number 6, you have 2. And I talked about this in my previous videos. You can review that if you want to. Now here's a list of just the applications. The base form names aren't shown. So there are 10 applications in this version, and this version is just one of many ways of showing how you can classify noun complements. And under each application, there are examples. You can pause this and study them if you want to. There are examples for each application. All right? First, I will show clearly what a name complement is not. To do that, we recall application number 7. Number 7 reads, proper noun complements common noun. And here are some examples. In this example, the proper noun Jenny complements the common noun sister, and it complements it in an anaphoric direction, in other words, backwards. In this example, May, the proper noun, complements flowers, the common noun, and that direction is cataphoric. It goes this way, kind of forward. We see that the complementing proper noun is indeed a proper name. The proper noun here, all right, it's a proper name. However, the common noun, which receives the complement, is not a proper name. Therefore, the complementing proper noun is not a name complement. That is, the proper noun does not complement a name. So now we know what a name complement is not. So let's move on to find out exactly what it is. If the noun receiving the complement is a proper name, the complementing word or phrase is indeed a name complement. As such, we look at our list of applications to see if any of them qualify as carriers of name complements. Do we find any? Yes, we do. They are as follows. Okay, application number 1, the prepositional phrase. It complements a proper noun. So you see here the prepositional phrase complementing a proper noun. So this would qualify as a name complement. Application number 4, distinction phrase or clause complements a proper noun. Venus that we see, the distinction phrase that we see complements the proper noun, and that's a name. So this is a name complement. Now, I call it a distinction phrase or clause. You might call it a relative clause, but that's a crappy name, and I don't use it. Application number 6, common noun complements proper noun. Memphis, a disaster. The sentence might read, criminologists have deemed Memphis a disaster because of the extremely high crime rate. So you see here then that the common noun complements a proper noun, and the proper noun is a name, so this qualifies as a name complement. Application number 8, proper noun complements proper noun. Jenny Keller. The proper noun here complements Keller, so this qualifies as a name complement. All right, Stevie Ray Vaughan, that's his first name, their given name, and complement name, and they both complement the proper noun Vaughan. So this is a name complement because it's complementing a proper name. All right. Application number 10, adjective complements proper noun. Lovely Jane, Slim Jim, majestic Mount Shasta. That's pretty clear, pretty easy. So what we get then is we have our application list, and we see which applications qualify as name complement carriers. You see that? Number 1, prepositional phrase complements common or proper noun. Distinction phrase or clause complements common or proper noun. Number 6, common noun complements proper noun. Number 8, proper noun complements proper noun. And number 10, adjective complements proper noun. So I've done many videos on the name complement, and they're a little bit disjointed because I had to sit there and write out my notes on paper and hold them up to the camera. But I switched to this feature on my old iMac. I have a really old iMac, and you can do what they call a screen recording. So that's what I've been doing, and then I think it makes it a little bit more clear what I'm trying to impart, what I'm trying to say. And that's it. So thank you for being incredibly patient, and I hope this proves to be useful. Good night.